Right, so let me get back to our presentation and let me know when you can see my screen again.
We can see.
Perfect. Thank you so much. So some other improvements, some other additional features that we added. One of them is related to the mass import export, and in the filtering capabilities for mass import export. If you remember, or if you're looking at the version that you are right now, you remember that what we could select was the system and then the company, and we added a lot of other options in order to make the export more pinpoint. And you can see that we have the list area, business unit, company code, contract ID, where you can actually insert the specific contract. So as you are working with the export, and then if you want to make use of this for any purpose, you can have a more focused type of extraction. So let me just get back to our application so I can show you this live. So as you know, the import-export is available from the main menu. And as we go to the export of the contracts, you can already see the additional fields that are available. Of course, we need to start with the system, but then we can choose among the list areas, and it really depends on how your structure, your hierarchy goes, and you might have only one in some situation or multiples. Then you can choose from the business unit, from the company code, and you can even pinpoint to the specific cost center. But what's even more about these additional filters, you can select the specific ID. So if you want to export 30 contracts, for example, you have this way of doing it right away, right of their finger. So as the database grows bigger, and for all of you, you have already years of using our application, so you have more and more objects added to the database. Having this ability to extract specific information is more important. So now you have this ability to select specific objects, specific contracts in this way. Of course, to the export information. So depending on your needs, you know that an alternative to export is the data quality integrity report. And we were talking earlier about new information. So it really depends on the object of your need, but you can use alternatively the data quality integrity report, which already has this kind of setup as a report. You have all the filterings available, and you can make a more pointed selection already. But in the export now you have this additional information. So now let's go back to the presentation, and we're gonna get into additional